windows and gutters.
All right, we are back here at 5:15 o'clock. Once again, we're looking at just some fair weather skies. It's actually very pleasant outside right now, 56 degrees and a little bit of a breeze out of the east at 10. That will become a much bigger factor with our weather later today and especially into tonight. So wind and a lot of other weather change coming up here over the next, say, 12 to 18 hours. For this morning, though, we're in good shape. Morning drive should be fine. Temperatures right now in the 50s. In fact, some spots to our south, like Falls City and Clarinda, Iowa, close to 60 degrees. And even as cool air starts to make its way into the northern part of the region, we're still looking at 40s, which is above normal. Right now, Wayne 42, currently Norfolk checking in at 43 degrees. All right, let's go to our Weather Alert Viper HD radar. And once again, out around Boys Town, just a thin little overcast, kind of filtering out a nearly full moon out there. And you'll notice clouds beginning to thicken up, especially along and east of the Missouri River, and then back closer to our storm system off to the northwest. And already you notice the advisories, winter weather advisories, just north and west of the metro. That's where I think we could start to see more problems this evening with wind and snow. Winter storm warnings, though, from north and west of there, and even a blizzard warning down toward Denver, Colorado. The orange here, that's high wind warnings, maybe not as much precip, south central Nebraska and northwestern Kansas, but there they can see winds gusting to 60 miles per hour, and that's severe thunderstorm winds outside of thunderstorms. So kind of keeping with the theme as we go through Severe Weather Awareness Week. All right, if you're watching Matt and I on Early Riser, again, evidence of maybe a few showers trying to develop aloft, especially to the east of us. I think we could see a few showers this morning, but still fairly quiet. We're mild. We should hold in the 50s. And then watch what happens as we head towards late this afternoon. Here come the thunderstorms. Some of those could be heavy. And look what the temperatures do. Even by 7 o'clock, we're dropping from the 40s back into the 30s from Omaha to the north and west. I still think we'll rain early this evening. But if you're going to be out and about, especially during the evening drive, be ready for changeable weather, because look what happens after that. We quickly go over to wet snow during the evening as temperatures fall below freezing. That means we could see some slick spots as we head towards tomorrow morning. All right, we'll start with the spring-like part of this storm first. Again, there's actually a marginal risk for some strong storms just southeast of us, better opportunity for rough stuff to the south and east. But even here in town, we could see elevated storms that would produce a little bit of a hail threat, some gusty winds, a lot of thunder and lightning. And then the snow forecast, once again, here in town, I think we're looking at a dusting to maybe a couple of inches of snow. And then back to the northwest again, say Elkhorn Valley, a little better opportunity for accumulation. Up through Fremont, could see locally 3 inches there. And then the heavy stuff inside the winter storm warnings, 3 to 6, and then locally over that as you get outside the region here. So for today, just kind of partly sunny this morning and mild. And then it looks like winds pick up. We'll see the possibility of showers and storms increase through the day. 58, but falling abruptly by early this evening. In fact, we'll drop all the way to 29 overnight. Through that cooler transition, storms will go into some wet snow. You saw the accumulation expected. Watch the winds, too, at times gusting over 40 miles per hour. Forecast for tomorrow, just kind of blustery, but mainly dry, only 42, still a little breezy. And then look at that, maybe an isolated shower Friday, back to 60 degrees. A little better chance for what appears to be rain showers. Maybe a few wet snowflakes Saturday into Saturday night. It now appears the majority of that will be out of here for Easter Sunday. Good news for the Easter egg hunts and the sunrise church services. Still cool Sunday at 48, but it now appears with that moisture headed south and east of us will be a little warmer, back a little either side of 60 for Monday and Tuesday. All right, it is Severe Weather Awareness Week, and we're going to have a little bit more on that coming up here in about 5 minutes or so. But just a reminder, we do have a little thunderstorm chance in the forecast later today. It might not be a bad idea to download Storm Shield to your smartphone. Great weather app to stay ahead of those spring-like weather threats. All right, right now we're coming up on 5:19. Stay with us. We'll have more right after the break.